Brandon, by the way, I'm starting a band, so are you interested?
Yeah, sure, man. I mean, like, are you guys like meeting up like soon or?
Probably tonight. I'll let you know where and when.
Awesome sauce there, coolio. I mean, I'm down with it. The party has arrived! Wait! Where are your instruments?
Oh, right here.
Man, I cannot believe I fell for this again. You guys always do this to me, and every single time I believe it. I always wanted to be in a band, guys. You guys don't even know. But this dream has been taken from me, yet again, much like everything else. I don't even know what to think anymore. I have been absolutely blasted for the last time. I even bought this entire keyboard from Yamaha, not sponsored by the way, so I had to buy this at full price, thinking that we were gonna go play for the masses, maybe even a church or two. The guy even said that this is the one that John Lennon used to play. I mean, I don't even know who John Lennon is. This might as well not even be a keyboard, it might as well just be a fiddle, because I've been played. You guys are playing Orchest, and I'm playing checkers. Good day.